In this example, we can use simplifying to find a percentage of a quantity. GST is called Goods and Services Tax, and it's currently 15%. It has to be added to the value of all things that are put for sale in New Zealand, and it's a tax that's paid direct to the government. So how much GST must be added to a computer valued at $1,200 X, and X means excluding GST. So we need to find 15% of $1,200. So let's write that in a format that we can start to play around with. So 15% per cent means out of 100, of means times, 1,200, that'll be over 1. Now let's find the prime factors of each of those numbers. 15 is 3 times 5, 100 is 2 times 50, 2 times 25, and 5 times 5. So 15 will be 3 times 5, 100 would be 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, and 1,200 or 1,200 could be 10 times 120, in which case the 10 would need to be broken down as 2 times 5. The 120 could just be 10 times 12, in which case the 10 would be 2 times 5, the 12 would be 2 times 6, and the 6 would be 2 times 3. So let's just check up with 1,200. We've got the 2 times the 5, the 2 times the 5, the 2, and the 2 times 3. So we've got a 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, over 1. Now let's bring that together as one big fraction so we can start to see where there are any common numerators and denominators. 5, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 5, 5, 1. Now what we can do here is rather a shortcut. Rather than rearranging the top and bottom and then splitting them, maybe we can just see what we've got. We've got a 5, and that can be divided by a 5 to give a 1. The 2 divided by the 2 could give the 1. The 5 divided by the 5 could give a 1, and the 2 divided by 2 can be divided to give a 1. So rather than writing it out in lots of different lines, we can probably simplify it and do it straight away. Then we can see what we're left with. So we're left with 3 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 3, and this is just over 1. If we multiply this together, we've got 3 times 5 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, 30 times 2 is 60, and 60 times 3 is 180. And that's over 1, so we can just leave it as that. So they'd have to pay $180 tax would have to be added.